Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I wanted to start this vlog. Before anything, I wanted to start with this vlog kind of like explain a little bit of why is the reason why well, I've been wanting to do this for like the longest, since last year actually. Okay, so there was this moment last year. My oldest daughter, Hannah, she came up to me and she was like, "Mommy, you know what? One day I want to experience how to be in a hotel." Because by then I was traveling a lot and she would see that I was staying in hotels and stuff like that. And I'm like, I don't know, for some reason that stayed in my mind, you know. I'm like, you know what? That it's so like she's asking me for something so simple, you know, and I've been wanting to make it happen for her. And finally this weekend is gonna happen. Honestly guys, I've been so busy. I'm a very busy single mom. Weekends for me, it's where I do makeup. I freelance and I do seminars, and it's when I travel, and also weekends is when they go with their dad. Every weekend they go with their dad, and thank God with me and their dad, we have a really good communication, really good relationship. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna ask you for a favor to give me the girls for this weekend, because I want to take Hannah and Scarlett for like a mini getaway. And so I found this hotel thanks to my friend Maria. She's one of my very close friends that I have. I saw she took her daughters to this really beautiful hotel in San Diego. And then I was like, you know what? It's beautiful. Like, it's by the beach. It has a really nice pool. The view is amazing from the rooms. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to book it. I didn't even see the price. Just, you know, I didn't even notice the price or anything, like, because I know my daughters deserve the best, you know. And I work so hard for my daughters. So anyways, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it happen. So I'm finally making one of her dreams come true. She's like, "Mommy, I want to experience. I want to know how it is to be in a hotel." And so finally we're gonna make it happen. I'm gonna make it happen for her. So I want to take you guys with us. And so I already have a list of what I'm gonna do with them. For sure, we're gonna be at the pool. We're gonna go have a fancy dinner, and we're gonna have a lot of it's gonna be like a really mini getaway, but it's gonna be fun, and that's what matters. And honestly guys, I feel so blessed to be able to make my girls, sorry about that, to you know, make this happen for my girl Hannah and my Scarlett. Scarlett's still little, but Hannah, she's like growing. She's gonna turn 11 years old this year. Scarlett's turning 7. Like, I always say stop growing. I want them with like when they were so little, and I'm like, I cannot believe how fast they are growing. But anyways guys, I want to take you guys with us, and I really hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Make sure, if you are new to my channel, please show us support by subscribing to the channel and click the notification. There's like a bell around my channel. You click on that and it's gonna notify you every time I post a video here in my channel. And so yeah, you guys, I thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and stay tuned for more. Alrighty, so we are already here in the car. Say hi, Scarlett. We stopped by Walmart and we got some what did we get?
Chips and ice cream.
And ice cream. Yeah, it's so hot
and chips
right now. Today is going to be like such a perfect day to be in the pool. Are you guys ready for the pool?
Yeah!
What? Yes, we are super excited.
You guys, hello. There's so much traffic.
Oh, I know. Hey.
This was never the way I planned, not my intention. one. Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by.
We are in San Diego.
We're San Diego, you guys.
Yeah. That's the hotel where we're staying.
But we're staying there forever.
Not forever. We're going up to our room. Are you excited, Hannah?
Yeah. We're gonna show you all everywhere we go.
Yeah. What, Hannah?
That's a beautiful view.
Yes.
Mom,
How about you
look.
guys open? Woo! How pretty.
Mom, look.
I know. We have coffee and we have the view of the ocean. How do you open that?
Ocean where we're fishing.
Oh wow, so pretty.
Oh my god, that's so
It's such a beautiful day too, Hannah.
yeah. Oh my god.
Scarlett.
Oh my gosh, my mini gonna
No, don't do that. So yes, you guys, we are here. We are about to go and explore San Diego. She's so excited. So Scarlett's ready. We're going to the pool. And Hannah, she's chilling over there. So what are you guys doing? What is that?
goggles for the pool.
Oh, that's right. You guys, I brought my bikini, and I'm just kidding. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna wear some shorts. Supposedly, I kind of want to wear this. It says the party has arrived. I don't think so, but of course, our sunblock. My travel, it's like costumbre que tengo de like siempre organizar lo que traje. Por ejemplo, like traje medicina just in case, like si alguien le da agruras o algo, like, you know. Traje my scrub cream para todo. Pues hasta el vaporú se vino, chicas. My makeup. So this is what I do every time I travel. Like I try like to organize everything, and I also got curitas and stuff. So when you think you're done, oh my God, they don't fit you anymore, and I brought them for you. Mommy, let me see.
Yes, Mom.
She's growing too fast. Stop. Hey, Scarlett.
They hurt.
Okay, take them off. Such a beautiful day, you guys. So we're just gonna chill here at the pool for a little bit, and we're gonna explore. We're gonna go explore and dinner later. Scarlett, cheers. Cheers.
my mom's kind of sleeping, and you guys, it's a beautiful sunset, and just wanted to let you guys know we're going to Cheesecake Factory later. It's gonna be yummy. Yep.
Say hi, girls. Where are you guys? Say hi. Hi. Look how pretty, you guys. I swear, we came like in the perfect weather, Hannah. Scarlett, come here. I think she's mad at me. Are you mad at me? Anyways, we're enjoying a beautiful sunset. Beautiful sunset. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh, you know, you don't want to go on it?
No.
Why?
Because we're gonna die.
No.
Yeah. This is New York.
It's not New York. You mean New York?
Yeah, that's New York.
I think Tia got married there. Right? Remember? But it was such a diva. Sorry. You're such a diva. Stop being such a diva.
If you want to just get started in here, you're better off getting a member.
Cheers. Cheers with hot chocolate. It's so yummy, you guys.
It's so good. I feel like I can cry.
It's so good. Huh? I feel like we're almost gonna finish it. So we're just here enjoying the city.
Beautiful view.
Beautiful view.
And the
Beautiful
sun,
with my princesses. Where are you, Hannah?
And the sun, and the sun early came out down.
What?
Look!
Yeah.
Look at what moves.
Your moves.
Look at that move.
You're in a bike. You're so funny.
Oh, an airplane!
And this is how it looks at night.
YouTubers. Subscribe to my channel.
That's funny. That is so funny. Hannah loves this song and I like it too. We're gonna go have dinner in a few minutes. Still young. The night is still young. Okay, so we are on our way to Cheesecake Factory. Let me see your outfit.
Okay, so I have some Adidas, a pink shirt, and like
a jacket. Let me see your outfit, Scarlett. Show them your outfit.
I have pretty shoes and a dress and pretty hair.
Ooh, so pretty.
And a cute face.
Ooh, a cute face? Of course. You're so funny. So we're gonna eat at Cheesecake Factory.
We just actually found a real bunny. And look.
There was a bunny, huh?
Yeah, we just did it. I was gonna do like this, and it didn't, and it was like someone's hair. It didn't stop.
We saw a bunny, you guys. He was so cute and little.
It was so cute, right, Mom?
Yes. We are riding downtown San Diego.
It looks like.
And we're gonna eat outside.
Yep. And it looks like New York.
New York?
Yeah,
New York, mommy, not New York. Ooh, we're eating outside.
You guys, it smells like strawberry bubblegum pink.
You want cheesecake?
Does it have brownies?
Yes.
Yay! Yay!
Say hi, Hannah.
Hello, I'm Good morning, you guys. It is the next day, and yeah. Say hi, Scarlett. Hi. Say hi, Mom. Okay, you guys, we had so much fun.
Look over there.
Look, you guys.
It's so fresh.
So beautiful. Oh, look at that cruise ship.
We're waiting for room service. They're gonna bring us breakfast, and I'm just posting in Snapchat. So if you guys are not following me on Snapchat, you guys better do. And Instagram too. Like, can you guys tell in my hair and in Scarlett's hair?
Look, there's a big.
That we just woke up.
Look, there's a big crew.
I know, huh?
I wish I could go there with me and Mommy and Hannah.
We're going next. That was not there last night. I want to go to a cruise too. What's up, Minnie? She doesn't go to sleep without Minnie. She doesn't shower without Minnie. She's everywhere with Minnie.
Look, guess what?
What?
Mickey broke up at Minnie because they're not married.
Oh my God.
They got divorced.